Considering installing a swim spa? Wondering how much space you need? Keep watching to find out. Swim spas are an incredible way to combine both fitness and relaxation. If you're thinking about installing a swim spa in your backyard, you might be wondering whether you have enough space. In this video, I'll talk about how much space you need for a swim spa. But first, what is a swim spa? A swim spa is a type of pool that allows you to swim against a current. It combines the benefits of traditional swimming pools with the comfort, convenience, and therapeutic benefits of a spa. Swim spas are typically smaller than traditional swimming pools, but larger than regular spa pools. They can be used for a variety of activities, including swimming, water aerobics, hydrotherapy, and relaxation. They are usually equipped with powerful jets that create a strong current, so you can swim or exercise in place without needing to turn around. Some swim spas also provide extra features, like LED lighting, built-in sound systems, and massage jets. How much space do you need to install a swim spa? We are often asked whether a swim spa can be installed in a small backyard. You might be surprised at how little space you actually need to install a swim spa at home. Here's an example of a swim spa installed on a very small block of land. And doesn't it look fantastic? What else do you need to think about before you buy? Here are 6 factors that will determine how much space you need for a swim spa. Size and shape of the swim spa. The first thing to consider is the size of the spa you would like. The largest models are up to 6 meters long and 2.3 to 2.4 meters wide. And as you've seen, there is also swim spas small enough to fit in the most compact of spaces. Think about who will be using the spa, how many people are likely to use it at any one time, and for what purpose. This will help you to determine what size you need. You'll also need to ensure there's enough room around the swim spa to allow access, so pumps, heaters, plumbing, and controls can be accessed through the panels under the spa. But again, if you're working with a small outdoor living space, have a chat with a swim spa specialist to figure out the right option. You can even use our handy AR or augmented reality tool to see what your swim spa will look like in your property. The link is in the description below. Accessibility. Have a think about who will be using the swim spa and your individual accessibility needs. For example, if you love entertaining, you might need a larger space to accommodate both the swim spa and a seating area. Or, if you have mobility limitations, you may want to consider a smaller swim spa that is easier to step in and out of. Location. Where you would like to position your swim spa on your property. Ideally, it should be located in a relatively flat and open area, away from any trees or potential hazards, and as close to your house as possible. In our experience, the closer the swim spa is to your house, the more you will use it. You'll also want to make sure there is sufficient drainage to prevent any water from pooling around the spa. Fencing and regulations. Be sure to get in touch with our certification specialist, visit our regulations page for your area, or visit your local council to make sure you're adhering to any regulations required. For example, many areas require fencing around the swim spa and may also require additional drainage. You can refer to compliance articles on our website for more information on this. The link is in the description below. In or above the ground. Swim spas can either be installed above the ground, on a deck or concrete slab, or in the ground. Whether you install your swim spa above or in the ground will depend on your budget, personal preference, and needs. An in-ground swim spa blends in with the surrounding landscape, creating a more seamless look. And because it is level with the ground or near level, it's easier to get in and out of. But they understandably have higher installation costs due to excavation and installation, and are a more permanent fixture. So, if budget is a consideration, or if you want your swim spa to remain portable, installing it above the ground could be a better option. Have a chat with a professional installer or your local swim spa specialist to figure out whether above or in the ground will work best for you. Heat pump, steps, and a cover lifter. If you're working with a smaller area, it's not just the swim spa size you'll need to consider. For example, heat pumps are an energy efficient way to heat your spa and can save up to 70% when compared to a standard electric heater. So if you choose a heat pump, you'll need to allow space for the installation. See the link in the description below for more information on heat pumps. Also, if you choose to purchase steps, think about where your steps will be placed, ensuring there's enough room to safely enter and exit the swim spa. And finally, a cover lifter will save your back and help to keep your swim spa cover in good condition, so you'll want to make sure you have enough room around the side of it to accommodate. We recommend 600mm at each end for this and 200mm on each side of the spa. Cover lifters will not work on all swim spas. Again, your swim spa sales consultant can help you to work out the required space and accessories. The important thing to remember is swim spas come in a range of sizes to suit a variety of needs and outdoor living spaces. Whether you have a cosy yard or a spacious oasis, there are a range of options out there to choose from. If you have more questions about installing a swim spa, get in touch with us via the link in the description below or call into your local Spa World showroom. We would love to see you.